Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today in this session we are going to discuss top most expected MCQs on artificial intelligence. These questions are really very important for all kind of competitive examinations including NET, SET, GATE exam, as well as if you all are preparing for any college level examination, then this series will definitely help you get good marks. So in the series of AI, this is our lecture number 66. So now let's just start the session. The definition of what, which organized into following four categories, namely thinking humanly, thinking rationally, acting humanly, and acting rationally. So these four categories are organized by, or these four categories are taken under machine learning, deep learning, artificial intelligence, or neural networks. So let's discuss all the options. If we talk about machine learning, so it is basically a subfield of artificial intelligence, and it is only about algorithms learning from data, right? It does not cover some functions like thinking or acting like humans. So this is not the correct option. Another option is deep learning. So it is the subset of machine learning. What? Artificial intelligence? Sorry, machine learning is the subset of artificial intelligence and deep learning is the subset of machine learning, right? And it is all about neural networks. It also does not cover these broad four categories. So this is also not a correct option. Another option is artificial intelligence. So this is the correct one because AI has four approaches. The first is thinking humanly, means we can mimic human thoughts. Thinking rationally means logic based thinking we have. Acting humanly means Turing test approach. Acting rationally means rational agent approaches are also included. Last option is neural network. Neural network is nothing but it is just one technique, not a broad definition of how an artificial intelligence system or devices works like human. Okay, so correct answer is option number 3. Next question, which of the following is the basic building block of deep learning? So basic building block of deep learning. So the first option is random forest. So random forest basically it is an ensemble method in machine learning not related to deep learning. So this is not the correct option. Another is decision tree. So decision tree is used again in machine learning, not deep learning. So this is also incorrect one. Artificial neural network, simply known as ANN. This option is correct as deep learning is built using multiple layers of ANN. Option number 4 is support vector machines. Support vector machines. It is a supervised machine learning algorithm, again not related to deep learning. So the correct answer is option number 3. Next question is related to match the following. Service level agreement, very easy. We can get the answer with the help of some keywords. Virtualization, Internet of Things, and platform as a service. So service level agreement, with the help of this option we can easily get the correct answer. So the technology that connects and enables communication between physical devices over internet. The develop environment provide over the internet to create deploy applications. Okay, so next is contract, right? So agreement or contract is the same thing, right? So service level agreement says contracts that specify performance standards and services availability. So here we have the correct answer. Only with the help of one option we are easily reaching to the correct option, right? Virtualization means a method allowing multiple operating systems to run on a single physical server. Internet of Things means the technology that connects and enables communication between physical devices over the internet. Platform as a service means a developed environment provides over the internet to create deploy applications as a service. Some platforms, these are some platforms that provides services. Which of correct, choose the incorrect statements from the following. Focus on this particular thing, right? We have to select the wrong option here. So first option says deep learning is a subset of machine learning. Already we have discussed. Yes, right? Deep learning is a subset of machine learning, and machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence. This is what we have discussed in previous questions. So this is correct, but we have to select incorrect option. So only one cannot be the right option. Here we have A. This cannot be the right option. Machine learning is a subset of deep learning. So they are saying machine learning is a subset of deep learning. That is incorrect option, right? We have to select incorrect one. So here we have option number 3 only. It is wrong. Here we have option 2. So the correct option is option number 2, 2 and 3. Artificial intelligence is a subset of deep learning. This is also wrong, as machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence and deep learning is a subset of machine learning, right? So I hope students everything is clear to you till now. Now next question is, which of the following is an example of unsupervised neural networks? So backpropagation network, we have already discussed. Backpropagation network is supervised and uses labeled data. Uses labeled data, right? So this is not the correct option. Next we have is Hebb network. So it is based on Hebbian learning, that is an unsupervised neural network. Another is associative memory network. It stores some patterns or generally supervised self-organizing feature maps. So this is the correct option, as it is a well-known unsupervised neural network, self-organizing feature maps, simply known as SOFM. Next we have decision tree supervised learning, artificial neural network, instance based learning. So the correct, as we have discussed self-organizing maps so many times, right? So we have the correct option is instance based learning is self-organizing maps. Supervised learning is non-linear regression algorithm. Artificial neural network we have discussed so many times. Delta learning rules and decision tree is related to C4.5 algorithms. So you have to remember this particular algorithm used for decision trees. An agent can improve its performance by, in computer science AI, we have already discussed about agents. So agents can improve its performance by learning, responding, observing or perceiving. So yes, they can improve their performance by learning. Agents improve through their experiences, through the learnings. Responding means just reacting. It does not improve the performance. Responding means just reacting to the given data. Observing means it helps gather data useful for the improvements. And perceiving means collecting input from the environment, necessary but not enough. All clear? Which of the following are correct for neural networks? So this particular topic is really very important. If you haven't watched that session of neural networks, their benefits, advantages, disadvantages, you can check the description box or you can check the artificial intelligence playlist in this channel, right? Correct for neural networks. So the first statement is the training time depends on the size of network. This is absolutely true. Bigger networks take more training time. Smaller networks take less training time. So option A is true. It is also common in all the given points, right? Neural networks can be simulated on conventional computers. So this is also true, right? We simulate neural networks on normal computers also. So here we don't have option B. Here we don't have option B. So these are the incorrect options and we have to select the correct one, right? Next is neural network mimic the same way as that of the human brain. True, they mimic in concept but not exactly the same. Next is a neural network include feedback. Yes. Clear? So correct answer is option number not ACD. The correct answer will be ABC. All clear? Here they said neural network include feedback. Only some networks like recurrent neural networks only they have feedbacks, not all. That's why option a neural network they have told, right? Option D is incorrect. Option 3 is correct. Which is not the component of natural language understanding process? Morphological analysis, semantic analysis, pragmatic analysis, or meaning analysis? So the correct answer is meaning analysis, right? It is not a standard component. Semantic already covers the meanings, right? So meaning analysis is not any kind of term. Next is choose the correct option describing the feature of artificial neural networks. So artificial neural networks, it is essentially machine learning algorithm. Yes, absolutely true. It is useful when solving the problems for which the data set is very large. Yes, this is also true. They are able to extract features without input from the programmer. Yes, absolutely true. These are systems modeled on human brain and nervous system. So all these statements are absolutely correct. So I hope students you liked the session. If you have any doubt left, you can comment below. I'll surely help you. And if you want me to continue this series with MCQs or concepts, then share your feedback in the comment section. So thank you so much and all the very best. Keep watching.